Hi all, hope you all are doing fine. Today I am going to explain the question that I solved in my earlier short. Okay, so here the question is, if x plus 1 is equal to 3, then we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So we have x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, isn't it? So what we are going to do, we will put it as equation number 1. Okay. Now on squaring equation 1 on both sides, what we are going to do, we are going to take the square of equation 1 on both the sides. So we will get x plus 1 whole square is equal to 3 square, square of 3. Now here we can put the algebraic identity a plus b whole square, okay, by using a plus b whole square. We get a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay. So we are going to expand x plus 1 by x whole square as x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2x into 1 upon x, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the square of 3 is equal to 9. Okay. So we will cancel x and x, that way we will get cancelled. Okay, now let's see. X square plus 1 upon x square plus this x and this x will cancel, so we are going to left with this one x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, and the square of 3 is 9. Okay. Now this 2 plus 2 will be transferred on the right hand side and it will become minus 2. So it will be 9 minus 2. So the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 9 minus 2, 7. So this is the solution of this question. So if you guys are understanding and you're liking my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do like the videos and share as much as possible in order to support me. Thank you.